Have you ever stopped to consider what your deepest desires truly are? It's a question that may seem simple, yet it's one that many of us struggle to answer. In our fast-paced world, we often forget to pause and reflect on what we truly want. But let me tell you, pinpointing your desires is crucial. Why, you may ask? Well, it's because clarity is the stepping stone to setting meaningful goals. And these aren't just any goals. These are the dreams that ignite your passion and fuel your determination. Whether it's a thriving career, personal growth, or nurturing relationships, your desires are the compass guiding you towards your ultimate destination. So, take a moment. Close your eyes if you must. Let your mind wander to the depths of your heart, where your truest desires lie. Listen to them. Understand them. It's only through this deep reflection that you can start the journey towards achieving your dreams. Remember, deep reflection is the first step toward achieving your dreams. Did you know that writing down your desires can help manifest them into reality? When you jot down your dreams, aspirations, or goals, it's as if you're making a pact with the universe. This is the essence of manifestation through letters. The act of writing letters to yourself is a potent tool in this process. It solidifies your desires, making them more tangible and real to you. You're not just thinking about them, you're physically creating a record of them. This act of creation imbues them with an energy that can help bring them into existence. So what's the connection between your mind, the written word, and the universe? Well, your mind conceives the desire. The written word gives it form and solidity. The universe in turn responds to this energy, helping to manifest your desires into your life. Remember, your pen holds the power to turn your dreams into reality. Ready to craft your own manifestation letter? Here's how. Let's dive into the 5 steps of writing a letter that can bring your dreams to life. Step 1. Start with a clear mind. This is crucial. Find a calm, quiet space where you can focus without interruptions. Do whatever helps you relax and clear your mind, whether it's meditation, a brisk walk, or a cup of chamomile tea. A clear mind is a receptive mind, ready to channel your deepest desires. Step 2. Address the letter to yourself. This is a conversation with your future self, so make it personal. Start with, "Dear." It's a simple but powerful way to establish a connection with the person who will benefit most from your manifested desires, you. Step 3. Write down your desires as if they have already happened. This is where the magic happens. Write each desire in the present tense, as if you're living it right now. Instead of "I want to be financially independent," write "I am financially independent." This affirms your belief in the reality of your desires, and the universe responds to certainty, not wishful thinking. Step 4. Express gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. Thank the universe for granting your desires. This reinforces your belief that your desires are already yours. It also generates positive energy, which propels your desires into reality faster. Step 5. Sign off with confidence. End your letter with a powerful affirmation like, "I trust the universe to bring my desires into reality." This seals your letter with a stamp of unwavering faith and sends a strong message to the universe that you believe in your desires. Throughout this process, remember to stay honest and positive. Honesty ensures that you manifest what truly matters to you, not what you think should matter. Positivity keeps your energy aligned with the abundance of the universe. Remember, your manifestation letter is a reflection of your innermost desires and dreams. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. We started by stirring the desire within, understanding that the first step to manifesting your dreams is to be clear about what you want. Recognizing your desires gives you a target to aim for, a purpose to pursue, and an ambition to fulfill. Next, we explored the power of the written word. More than just ink on paper, your words are a tangible expression of your innermost thoughts and desires. Writing them down not only makes them real, but also sends a powerful message to the universe. Then we delved into the details of crafting your manifestation letter. We discussed the importance of being specific, believing in the process, and letting your emotions flow freely as you write. With the power of written word, you are one step closer to manifesting your deepest desires. Start writing and watch your dreams unfold.